Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, April 5th, 2022. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please make sure you go ahead and post attendance. If you were absent yesterday, make sure you go back and submit that attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. Cell phone, students should not have a cell phone out. It should be in their backpack, powered off if it is at school. Outerwear, make sure that your outerwear is following the uniform policy, no hoodies. Late duty, today is Miss Cunningham, tomorrow is Miss Clark, Thursday is Miss Battaglia, and Friday is Miss Bertolino. Important dates. So this week we are doing the 4th through the 6th, we're doing 4th grade ELA ACAP, which we are taking a pause on that today. Also this week is National School Library Week. We are celebrating our librarian, Miss Smith, and National Assistant Principal Week. We will celebrate Miss Horton, I'm sure, when she gets back. April 6th, Paraprofessional Appreciation Day, Alabama Course of Study, PD, during your planning time. April 7th through 11th is our 5th grade ELA ACAP. April 11th through 15th is our 4th and 5th grade Math ACAP. April 15th is the Pre-K Egg Hunt. April 17th through 23rd is Spring Break. April 25th through 29th is our 4th grade Science ACAP and makeups during that time. Also, Administrative Professionals Week. April 26th is Math PLT. The AR Superstars who have met their quarterly goal, which, this will be really fast, friends. Y'all are right on it. In Miss Arch's class, we have Owen Alexander. We have Alexander Coleman, Kamani Thomas Smollett, and Zach Watson. In Miss Heichman's class, Madison Dubose, Lucius Fields, Brooklyn Jackson, Thomas Pugh. Miss Lankford's class, Deanna Chung, Elijah Dean, Jahaven Hill, DeMarcus Parker, and Gabriel Spillers. In Miss Moore's class, Madison Adams. In Miss Washam's class, Rowan Doe. In Miss Wolf's class, Christian Curtis and Kingston McAlmond. Way to go, guys! You are Johnny on the spot getting those AR goals. All right, still, let's see. 35 or so more days left in the quarter, so plenty of time for everyone to meet their quarterly goal. Also, congratulations to our iReady Stars of last week. We had the top classes were in K1. We had Miss Clark and Miss Hogan's class with 100% of their 30-plus minutes and 87% lessons passed. We have some fierce competition last week. We had in 2nd and 3rd, we had Kurd's class with 100% of 30 minutes and 93% lessons passed. And then following that, not far behind, we had Miss Granger's class and Miss Battaglia's class, which also had 100% of their students get the 30 minutes. So that is awesome too. In 4th, 5th, we have Miss Moore and Miss Arch's classes getting 100% of their time. The top students in K1 is Marion Pugh with 14 lessons. Way to go, Marion. In 2-3, we have Miss Skylar Smith with 15 lessons. Way to go. And in 4th, 5th, we have Alyssa Hunter Hawthorne with 15 lessons. Wow, that's a lot of lessons you kiddos did. That's awesome. Way to go, iReady Stars. Tons of iReady Stars this week, and that is exactly how we like it. Great job, guys. I also have a shout out today to Miss Bolton's class. They are being recognized by Miss Spiegelberg. Miss Bolton's class worked really hard during their testing session yesterday and did not rush. They read carefully and took their time to make the best score that they could. Way to go. We have had a lot of classes and a lot of students that are working really hard, taking their time, reading carefully, on the listening section, listening carefully, lots of scratch paper being used on the math section. We love to see all that hard work. So proud of you that are taking your time and really working hard to show off what you know. That is awesome. And that's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.